I have concluded that there are three statements of the obvious in relation to taking an intergenerational approach to financial planning. There may well be more, but I'm going to just talk about three fairly briefly. Number one, as well as delivering a better outcome for those of your clients who have families that they care about, taking an intergenerational approach to your financial planning will actually drive greater value in your business. Quite obviously, I think, because your business will be founded on multi-generational relationships and therefore should have greater longevity. Anyone looking at buying your business should attribute value to that, and especially so if you've been intentional about having appropriate means of communicating with those different generations, having done some insight and research as to the ways in which they prefer to be communicated with, and then implemented them with a very specific plan. So that's statement of the obvious, number one. Statement of the obvious, number two, is that intergenerational planning done well to achieve the best outcome is something that is done across the financial planning or throughout the financial planning journey. That is through the accumulation stage, through the decumulation stage, and of course, at the wealth transfer stage. That seems obvious, right? Yeah, but often too much, in my opinion, of the discussion around intergenerational planning is around the last part, passing on wealth tax efficiently, which is, of course, really important, minimizing inheritance tax, but it's not the only thing. If you do your accumulation better, this is a sort of sub-statement of the obvious. If you do your accumulation better and more tax efficiently, you'll have more money to think about your retirement with and to action a good retirement with, at the same time preserving wealth. So decumulating tax efficiently, also a way in which you can really add to and contribute to and enhance that intergenerational outcome. And then, of course, preserving the wealth and passing it on tax efficiently will do the job. So it's throughout the entire financial planning journey that you need to pay attention to the intergenerational outcome that you will require. You might not have that in mind when you start your journey, your financial planning journey, but when you get nearer to the end, it will become more important. And the third statement of the obvious is, of course, all of this, in my opinion, intergenerational success depends on delivering advice alpha, contributed to strongly by tax alpha. That is making decisions with an advisor, being aware of the choices that exist, then making the right choices and making sure that the choices that you make leave you in the most tax efficient position, because minimizing the tax outflow or enhancing the tax relief that you get will definitely contribute to the wealth pot. And having more means that you will have more to leave, or to at least plan to leave to the next generation. So there they are, my three statements of the obvious. I hope they are obvious and that they resonate with you, and look out on TechLink for all that we will be writing about in relation to intergenerational planning.